What's good, YouTube? The Tip Trader. And in this video, we're going to go over Bulenox. I'm just going to do a simple review. And this is why you should have Bulenox or Apex, either or, as a secondary account, meaning not primary, not main, whatever prop firm you're with now, whether it's TPT, whether it's Top Step, whether it's Lucid, Tradeify, it doesn't matter. Everybody needs a Bulenox account as a backup or secondary. So let's get into the video. Very simple prop firm. This is the homepage. Not really aesthetically pleasing, very boring. This is what I look for when I look for a prop firm. These are the signs that I look for. They're not too gamified like Top Step. They're just simple. You don't get better than that. You have the qualification account. As you scroll down here, you can see the accounts right here. Now, they do have great discounts. They have 90% off, 91% off. You catch them at a good time, you can get a real good deal. Right now, they have 50% off. I only buy accounts that are 90% off. Just like Apex. 80, 90% off, that's the only way I'm buying accounts. I don't buy accounts 50% off. I don't buy accounts at full price. Maybe 80. If I can be honest with you, this is one of the most boring websites on a prop firm, and that's a good thing. So here you can read their terms. So their master account is pretty much their funded account. So here they have some facts about it. You can trade it from day one. You can get your first $10,000 without commission. You can earn up to 90% of your profits and use the trading terminal for free. So very simple. I mean, they don't even tell you that much. Then when you go down here, 50K accounts, which is what I use. You got max 7 contracts, really good. Profit 3K. It is a trailing drawdown, right? But you can buy the end of day drawdown. But honestly, if you are the type of trader that you're so stuck on trailing drawdowns, you need to learn how to trade better. First 10,000 is 100%. Once you buy the account, there's no monthly. You pay one flat rate. There's not really a lot of restrictions. So if you want to have 10 plus accounts, and I believe you can have 11 accounts with them. So if you want to have 10 plus accounts like Apex, this is a great firm. They literally don't have any restrictions. They will not be sending you emails talking about what is your trading plan. They won't send you emails talking about, oh, you scaling in too fast on trades. Like literally, they do not bother you. That's why I am recommending them. If you want to trade 10 plus accounts with no restrictions, nobody telling you, bug you about trading plan, denying you payouts, this is the way to go. It might not be 2,000 like Apex, but it's 1,500, which is roughly around the same. And it's every 10 days. So the reason why I say this is a good secondary account, because you need to have a prop firm where you can get paid between 1 to 5 days. Top Step, TPT, Lucid, Tradeify. You need to have a prop firm where you can get paid within the first week, 5 days, 1 day. And then you have these prop firms, Apex, Bulenox, where you're getting paid 8 days, trading days, 10 trading days, which is 2 weeks plus. So this is why I say it's a great secondary, and this is why I have them as a great secondary. So I throw them with Apex, and I just trade them at the same time. And I'm going to show you my trades today. I'm going to show you like the mindset and the process on how to break down a prop firm like this. Very simple. You register, you get an account, right? That's the first step. 2 is authorizing and, putting your information, downloading what you need to do, downloading Rhythmic R or whatever trading platform and connecting your accounts. And then the third process is qualification, showing your skill, aka getting to the profit target of 3K or whatever target account you get. And then from there, master account. Once you follow that, you get paid off of just pretty much keeping it steady and going past 10 days. This is my master account. I have 4, and I made this today, right? So the thing that I want you guys to understand is, so I made some here, and I believe the rest is on gold. Very simple trade, scaling like how I always do with my accounts, and bam, hit my TP 2,000. Literally took me about times 4, so that's 8,000. Took me about 2-3 minutes. Done with the day. On to the next. Very, very, just simple stuff, guys. Like, I'm at 11K per account. Once you get a good buffer, guys, you trade less, scale in more, and just let your system or your strategy work. At this point, I mean, I've already got a payout, so I'm just waiting. So yeah, they're one of the most basic prop firms that's out there. They're very basic. This is my dashboard. Like, it looks like Microsoft in '08, right? Like, they are not here for the looks, the glamour. They are here for the money, and they're gonna pay you. So as you can see, I'm on day 18, 2 more days until really one more day, Monday, one more day, which would be Monday, and I request another payout. This is my stats. Clearly, you see I'm over here. I made 2,000, so I'm at 61, past the threshold. The best day was 2,000, which was today, and my consistency is very, very good. So all you really have is this, where you can look at your metrics, the payout. You'll get used to this page. You put your withdrawal amount, this, that, sign. Very simple, guys. Very simple. Hit submit. Yeah, so besides the dashboard, payouts, help desk, I don't care about affiliate links. I'm gonna leave the link below. I'm actually profitable. So the help desk, the profile tab, the withdrawal form, which you'll use maybe once or twice. The only real tabs you're going to be using are, you're going to stay on this, right? This is the dashboard. You got your payouts. If you want to see them, you don't have to click on this. Like, it's just you seeing your payouts. But the request payout tab, the report tab to see how you're trading and how many days you are in, the withdrawal form, and the help desk, guys, that's all you use. I don't use market depth. I don't use second login session. I don't use affiliate links. And of course, to get more accounts, you're going to use the account sign up. But besides that, guys, that's all you need. It's very simple. You're not going to be on here, going through many of these tabs for sure. Very simple, wonderful prop firm. And I recommend them to anybody who's looking for a secondary account, or you don't mind waiting, right? 10 days for a payout. And the reason why I think you should wait for 10 days, because by the time 10 days, trading days, each account was at 56,000. So what that means is, yeah, it took longer to get to the payout, but I built a good enough buffer and the comfortability and the mindset to be like, you know what, 4 payouts right there. When you guys understand that the quicker you get paid out, and the quicker they sell you on getting paid out, that's the quicker you're going to blow these accounts. When you take your time and wait 10 days for a payout, and you look up, you're at 10,000, 20,000, however, take your time with these accounts. The reason why you're blowing accounts is because you're trying to rush and get a payout. You take your time. With prop firms like this, you have no chance, no choice but to get a payout and win, because you need to be training your mind and your brain to take your time and go slow. Trade less, more payouts. It's that simple. They're similar to Apex. You can get 11 accounts. You can earn up to 90% of your profits, right? You can have up to 11 accounts. They have promo codes, 90% off, 80% off, 91% off. Get them while they have really good discounts. 10 days. Don't matter. You don't need to make $100 a day. You just need to trade 10 days and have 2,600. That's it. So you can make 2,000 one day, 16 one day, and just trade 10 days, and you'll get, a payout. Very simple, straightforward. You don't need to make 150. Payouts never got denied. Very, very simple rules. I mean, any other questions, guys, you can definitely comment under the video and I will respond. But I think I got everything covered. They don't have Project X no more. So those 4 accounts were on Project X. The reason why I have 10 accounts with them. I don't have the other 6 because I hate that they do this, but you can only buy 3 accounts at a time, right? Oh, at once. And then after you buy the 3 accounts, you have to get them to the threshold of 5,200, $600. So the threshold, you got to get to 2,600 threshold. Once you get it to that, then you can unlock 1 extra account. Once you get that 1 extra account to 2,600 in profit, then you can buy the next account. So I was doing this, and then Project X happened to just shut down and kick everybody off. So I've never traded Rhythmic. I'm not trying to figure it out. And it's very simple. Like, those are just backup accounts. If I ever blow these accounts, I'll have 6 accounts. And then I can get 3 at a time and then just wait to 5,200, get 1 more, 5,200, 1 more. That's kind of, I don't like it, but it's their rules. They understand the game. They don't want you scaling up 10 counts so fast and getting a payout. That's their rules. Once you understand the rules and you respect the rules, you can play the game how it needs to be played. So they know. I know what they're doing, and I know the reason for that, so I understand it. More questions or about the funded accounts, the master accounts, you can come here. So yeah, it's 148 for a master account, about 150. And as you get higher, $898 for a $250,000 account. That's a big ticket. It has to be worth it. So yeah, this is the payout, 1,500, right? After the third payout, there is no maximum withdrawal limit. So withdrawal safety threshold. So after my second, then third payout, I will be looking at anything and everything that's in the account, guys. It don't get better than that. There you got it. So, but overall, I would give this platform a 0 out of 10. I would give them a 7, just because of reliability, the communication, and the factor of they're gonna pay you out if you follow the rules. 52,600, or let's just say 53,000, right? Wait 10 days, you got to pay out. Very simple. So I definitely recommend them. I give them a 7 out of 10. And honestly, I like people sleeping on them. Keep sleeping on them. If you don't believe in them, I'm going to keep on getting payouts. And hey, it is what it is. But that's it with the video. I'll catch you guys in the next video.